Is your iPhone not vibrating when you get calls or notifications? This can be frustrating, especially if you depend on vibration for alerts. The issue can happen due to settings or software glitches. But don't worry, in this guide, we'll show you the steps to fix the vibration problem on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before you start, make sure to turn off low power mode, turn off silent mode, turn off do not disturb. Solution 1. Check vibration settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap sounds and haptics. Here, if you have vibration issue with the ringtone, then select ringtone, or if this issues with notification, select text tone for I'll open ringtone. Scroll up, tap haptic. Make sure you select one of the vibrations from here. If this sets to none, this will not work. Solution 2. Check hardware test for vibration motor. Open App Store, type check my device, install and open. Scroll down, find out vibration test. Now, try to test this out. If your vibration doesn't even work from here, then you need to take your device to Apple Care. Solution 3. Give reset all settings. Open settings, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer and reset, tap reset all settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the vibration issue on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more troubleshooting tips in the future. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video where we'll tackle more tech issues.